to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Faith! Enjoy your day and God bless and stay healthy. Enjoy!
Happy birthday, Lisel!
Happy
Sana
birthday,
mabusog
Ayan.
kami.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Lisel. Wish ko sana good health lang. Kasi alam ko naman, meron ka na lahat. Yun lang, good health sa'yo at sa family mo. Happy birthday ulit.
Hello po, Ate Faith. Happy birthday po. I pray na mas pagpalain ka pa po ng Panginoon ng maraming kaarawan at i-bless ka po ngayong araw na ito. Happy birthday po ulit.
Hi ate, happy birthday. More birthday to come and enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Ate Faye. I wish you on your birthday good health, more birthday to come, and enjoy your day. And take care always. God bless you.
Hi Ate Faith, happy birthday. See you soonest. Pasensya na hindi ako nakapunta sa birthday mo, just like what I promised. Bawi ako next time. Enjoy your special day. I love you, miss you. Ingat kayo lagi.
Happy birthday to you, Mars Faith. It's been a long time. I'm really sorry because I'm so busy, Charis. I just want to greet you a happy birthday, and I'm seeing that you're happy now and regards to my inaanak. So, keep safe always and sana matupad-upad lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay. Happy birthday, Mars Faith!
Hi Faith, happy birthday, more blessings, and I hope that this year will be a good one for you. Ingat and God bless.
Happy birthday, Nina Lisel. Yay! Happy birthday, Ate Lisel. More blessings to come.
Hello Ate Faith, happy 34th birthday sa'yo, and masaya ako para sa iyong kaarawan. Pagpalaan ka palalo ng Lord at i-grant niya pa lahat ng mga naisin mo sa buhay. Makikita niya ang puso mo at patuloy ka lang maglingkod sa Panginoon at huwag na huwag magsasawang maglingkod sa Panginoon. We miss you, see you soon, bye bye, happy birthday!
Happy birthday sa magandang asawa ni Berbic. Nawa ay pagkaloob ng Diyos sa'yo ang lahat mong mga wishes sa buhay.
Wow, ang ganda naman. Talagang maganda kasi, kaya maganda yung sinasabi ng ninang mo. Si Ninong naman, bumabati ako sa iyo ng happy birthday. Sana ay maligaya ka. Nawa ay maligaya ka sa araw na ito dahil ito ang araw ng iyong paglabas sa mundo. Nawa yung mga dreams mo, yung hope mo ay nakatuon kay Christ, kay Jesus, at don't forget to pray always.
Yes.
Kung may mga problema, may mga persecution, andyan si Jesus.
Yes.
Ang Panginoon natin na siyang mag-iingat at magtuturo sa atin kung ano ang mga gagawin. At patuloy lang tayong maglingkod sa Diyos. Pagpalain kayo ng Panginoon, maging ikaw sa araw na ito, at mapalad ka dahil nandyan ang mga mahal mo sa buhay. O sige,
Happy birthday
sa'yo.
ulit sa'yo.
And God bless.
Yes.
Sa nag-iisa kong ate, happy birthday, sis! Love you to me, like Camila. Enjoy your day. Love you to you. Happy birthday!
Kil, kau na.
Hands. Oh, what's that? Ano, ayaw? Ayaw kumain? Oh, sige.
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday, babe.
Happy birthday, te.
Happy birthday! Salamat sa
Okay.
sa cake, sa pakbet. Salamat. Tumayo pa.
Happy birthday, Sel. Happy birthday, te. Nabusog mo kami. Happy birthday, te.
birthday sa masugid. Happy birthday sa pinakamaganda.
Nagsilaglagan na.
Sister. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Beng! Love you!
Bati. Happy birthday, Beng. Siya pala pahabaan. Ready, go.
Bye-bye, birthday, mommy.
Louder. Say love you. Okay, one more. Go. No more na? Wala nagtatwerk. Iggy, want to blow? Yay! Oh, you blow?
Special day, and we're here to say, may all your dreams come true in every single way. Happy birthday, shine light like the morning sun. Here's to joy, love, laugh, and laughter, and a year full of fun. So we raise a toast to you. For all the great things you do. Happy birthday, dear, may all your wishes come true. Today's your special day, and we're here to say, may all your dreams come true in every single way. Happy birthday, shine light like the morning sun. Here's to joy, love, laugh, and laughter, and a year full of fun. So we raise a toast to you for all the great things you do. Happy birthday, dear, may all your wishes come true. Today's your special day, and we're here to say, may all your dreams come true in every single way. Happy birthday, shine light like the morning sun. Here's to joy, love, laugh, and laughter. Bye-bye, birthday, mommy.
Louder. Say